at it again with the Nashville trip. Like I said, we would. We're about to go to the shop right now. I'm running late. I'm running like 30-40 minutes late. So once we get there, I'll pop the vlog back up so y'all can see the trucks that we're taking.
So you almost ran me over, ho.
We got a time crunch. Ricky was my alarm. I had my alarm set at 4 o'clock and 4:30 a.m. Slept through them. 5 o'clock I get a big ass loud phone call from Ricky.
Your truck looks like one of them fucking luchadors.
Rey Mysterio. 619, cuh. Alright, we're leaving right now. We got a 12-hour drive ahead of us, so let's get it. Give it to Poppy Prospect to miss the exit twice.
This is like an extra 30 minutes.
Well, he made a power move. He's stopping traffic for us back there, if you can see that. To get through.
Oh,
so the semi was broken down on the side of the road.
On the road again.
What do you think of that view, Ricardo?
Makes me want to go take her roses, bro.
It's way too early to drive.
Fuck, I forgot my pole.
Damn, I forgot my poles too, but we'll go fishing when we get back home. I'm gonna buy a boat eventually, and I'll take you out all the time, Ricky, don't worry.
Oh, shucks.
Once I get a bass tracker or a skeeter, we're gonna be on the lake at all times. Yes, sir.
I don't care.
Fucking.
I like that.
Oh, this shit's coming up. This took me like an hour and a half to complete. It is working, but I already got a rock chip. Literally 30 minutes into the drive. And I think I only got a rock chip because I taped everything up. We're all just stopped here because we need to take a bathroom break, and we are just topping off on gas. We're about like 280 miles out of Nashville. So we should be getting her there around like 4:30. We got a pretty badass fleet. How's your drive, MySpace?
What's my drive? No. It's not bad.
Ricky's been sleeping. He's been catching up on his sleep. Don't worry. I'm waiting for the point where he catches up completely, and then he'll be completely up. You're gonna be up now?
5 hours and 30 minutes.
So that means we got like 4.5 hours.
Adam,
and he's got like 8.5.
Yeah.
9?
Literally. 9. But no, not really. I don't drive that slow down.
Bro, we stopped for like 20 minutes and still caught back
You
up.
flew the fuck past me going 110 miles an hour.
Stopped at like 7 minutes later.
I said coming in high.
We came in high.
Someone came in going 90 miles an hour. I think it was you. And then I saw you hit a
behind those
gap.
18-wheelers. I swear I was like a mile ahead of y'all at one point.
You just had a glizzy, bro?
Show us your hat company.
My hat company, Willis Creek Hat Co.
Yes, sir. I'll put his little tag in the little screen. For y'all that don't know, this Waikia water is the best water on the earth. Promise you. Shout out to Julio.
Wakala.
I guess, and I hit it at the last second, and thank God. They're not moving at all. Dude, the oversized load dusted these people. There's no reason for these people to be going this slow.
What load, bro?
We're going 38 miles an hour.
Where?
I'd be able to see where you were, but you fucking quit sharing your location with me a month ago, so you're an asshole. Nice.
Should I boon them? Should I flash them?
Bro, I think they're cops. What is going on, bro? Let's go. Y'all aren't cops, bro.
What the fuck do you think you're doing?
This makes no sense. Like, how is this legal? This makes no sense to me right now.
Man, that's why Dom got shot out here, bro.
Nashville. Now we're just waiting in traffic to get into the stadium. Basically, it's 9 minutes away from 1.6 miles.
Where's our booth? Is this it right there? It's pretty sick. You know, I wish it was inside, bro.
Yeah, I know it would have been badass if it was inside. Yeah, the turkey made it.
What's up, man? Alright, we on the town. What's up with it, bro? That Nashville, Tennessee. What's up?
Introduce yourself first.
Oh shit.
This is the first time the turkey's on the vlog. This is our basically haul all of our shit to these shows person.
This is Turkey right here. What's going on, man?
You know, Turkey's good people. He's family.
Get on your damn truck, boy. Let's go. Let's hit on the downtown. Get some.
Better roll through downtown real quick before we go back to the Airbnb. We gotta take all of these trucks back and bring back one because this Airbnb is. Call him and be like, hey, are you planning on parking in there all night and like risking a ticket? If he risks a ticket, I might just risk the ticket. What you think?
No, you don't got money like he does.
What you mean, bro?
Just break the door here.
Oh, you want it to be unlocked?
Guys, you guys want to see something? Keep the vlog rolling. So you do this. Look, same spot.
Tooted.
Where his fender ended. Look at how much slack. That's why you can't tell me that's not tooted.
If y'all think this is actually tooted, it's really not.
Adam needs glasses.
We came out here to get some cool ass little cinematics. We were just gonna drop them off and leave, but we're waiting for pizza to get delivered, so we might as well get some cool little shots. The road trip. Everybody right now is pretty much dead asleep. I'll probably make this into like a 3-day clip thing, but I'm signing out because I'm tired.